Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any sign up, paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First open ModelScope AI.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. And now click on text to video from the top menu bar and you'll see that it says currently ModelScope AI video is not working. Here is an alternative, just ignore it. Below you can upload a reference image which is necessary. If you don't know how to generate a reference image, you can go to my YouTube channel and find the free image generation videos there. Below the reference image it says enter a prompt. So for the prompt you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into ModelScope AI. Select the video duration as well, and in advanced setting you can add a negative prompt if you have one, along with other settings if needed. And finally click on the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has just started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile the video is being generated, let me tell you one very important thing. You can create free AI videos and generate longer content with ModelScope AI without any sign up, paid subscription or watermark, until the site honors add any restrictions for video generation, signups or generation limits. Because for now it's free, but for coming days we are not sure. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.